Hello, Brian.
Hi.
There's a lot going on with AI hiring in the news. And we, as a firm, we've almost engaged with some of that. We had to push back on somebody trying to do some weird things with us. So it's kind of personal too. But as a litigator from your seat, what are you thinking about most with relation to our clients possibly being attracted to using AI hiring tools?
Yeah, the first thing I would do is check your handbook and policies to see if you have the AI policy. And if you don't, you probably need one. And then the next step, I would look at the software. And the problem with a lot of AI is this black box, so you don't know how it's making decisions. But you are liable for its decisions. So screening your vendor is challenging. I know Amazon had in like 2018 had an issue with some of their hiring through AI stuff because it was discriminatory. And it you're not going to get caught up on one employee, but if there is a trend that the AI is rejecting, then it starts to make a case for a plaintiff's attorney because you've had, I don't know, eight employees that fall in either age or race or gender protected classes that got rejected, but you hired these other ones, and you don't want to get into arguing about who's more qualified because then you're behind the eight ball. But watch and oversight your AI tools. I know some of our clients have reported that employees are using AI to apply for a bunch of jobs, and so they're getting garbage applications. And so that's been a challenge for some of our clients with AI.
Yeah. One of the things that, I do the more transactional work than the flashy stuff you get to do. But I'm thinking about like I don't know how my AI works. And so if I was gonna, which I'm not going to, but if I was going to hire for our needs, I'm not gonna use an AI hiring tool. But if I was, I think I would insist on using one that I could check who got rejected and look for my own trending within the rejection. So like checking up on my AI on the other side. And I've seen that as a recommendation from some of the tech companies too, that like, check but verify. And
Absolutely. You are on the hook if your AI is discriminatory. So just because you hired a vendor doesn't get you out of the fact that you have a, you know, discriminatory impact case.
yeah, that's absolutely true. All right, Brian, I think that's the right answer for right now.